Here we are in the state capitol building in Denver, Colorado, where marijuana is now legal for recreational use, which is interesting because it's still illegal under federal law. What's that mean? We asked the banker, the politician, the drug pusher, the drug user, and the top cop, and nobody seems to know what's going on. Don, this isn't legal, is it?
Which part?
This selling pot.
It is under state law, not under federal law.
Well, federal law trumps state law, doesn't it?
It does in terms of banking.
It's not legal, Chief.
Well, it is legal. It's legal. It's legal in the state of Colorado under certain circumstances.
But not in the United States of America.
I think Colorado's a state in the United States of America.
I feel that since both constitutions are in conflict, that we should at least try to implement the wishes of the voter.
But what if, like, people in Colorado said, I don't want to pay federal income taxes anymore. I don't want to register for the draft. I want to have slaves again. Are you going to do that?
But in this case, the federal government is not enforcing federal law. They are looking the other way.
That's ridiculous.
Just $30, my man.
Because the federal law prohibits the sale of marijuana, the banks view that as illicit money. They don't want to be caught up in money laundering, and so they won't take our money.
We're concerned that someday, because of the cash-heavy nature of these businesses, that there'll be violence.
Well, y'all didn't think this out too clearly, did you?
Well, I mean, I'm not so sure that we didn't think it. You got medical marijuana. It's actually in 20 states. It's not just.
But it's not in 30 states.
Huh?
The thing is that under federal law, marijuana is considered as bad as heroin. Whether that's true or false, it's still illegal under federal law to prescribe grass or sell it over the counter like they do in Colorado. That's why banks won't take the money from pot shops, and that's why pot shops have gone to extreme measures to hide the money's origins.
It smells like marijuana.
What does?
The cash.
What are you talking about?
The cash smells like marijuana, but still the bank has to look at, I bet it smells like your pocket.
Go ahead. Does that smell like marijuana?
Not a single bill.
They will spray their cash with perfume or with air freshener to try to make the cash not smell like marijuana.
Do you spray it with stuff?
No, I've heard of other places for breezing their money, but no, I've never done that.
Wait, go ahead, try that.
I don't know if that particular $1 bill smells like marijuana or not.
Can I smell your money?
You want to smell my money?
Yeah, I'm gonna smell your money.
Sure. Hey, Anthony, let me smell some money.
Business is good, dude. Is marijuana a drug?
Yeah. I'm not going to get into the political aspect of whether it's a drug or whether it's a medicine. Obviously, some will say it is a drug.
TCH, I think, is the active ingredient.
THC.
THC, thank you. See, I showed my ignorance.
Is marijuana a drug?
Yeah, it's a drug. So is coffee. So is alcohol. So is tobacco. So is sugar, refined sugar. So there's lots of things that are drugs, and used appropriately, drugs are a great part of the human experience.
Yeah. Do you medicate?
With marijuana? No, I don't. I like vodka.
What's Colorado do?
I think we have to wait for Congress to act, and we really don't like reaching that conclusion.
But Congress can't even get a budget together.
No, I know. I'm just as frustrated with the inability of our Congress to act as anyone.
So how about it, Washington? Either legalize it or shut it down. Because we can't go on ignoring the law. In the Mile High, Charlie LeDuff, Fox TV.